Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video only here on Talkup Guy. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code from or by using Google Forms. So very quickly, we'll go to Forms right here. And now what we want to do, let's say we're going to use this one, RSVP. Now, there are actually two types of applications that you want here. You're going to need, well, of course, the Google Forms application, and you're going to need a third-party application that would transform or create a QR code for your Google Forms. Now, obviously, we can't use Google Form to create our own QR code directly. We can only publish it, but we cannot exactly use uh, Google Form directly to create a QR code. Now, what you want to do is, let's say this is our Google Form right here. We want to publish it as a survey. So just click on publish, and when with the link can responder, that's it. And then what you want to do is click on done, click on publish. Once that's published, it will appear here on the top. Now you want to get the responder link, shorten it, copy. And now what you can do is you can use Canva like so. And then you can go here on the left side of the toolbox, go to apps, select on QR code, scroll down, go to QR code, just enter or paste the URL that you copied earlier to generate the code. And that's it. There are, of course, other applications that you can use to generate the QR codes. For example, this one, online QR code generator, free QR code generator, QR code generator. So just type in QR code generator on Google if you don't use Canva or if you don't have Canva. But if you do have Canva, then Canva is the best way to do this. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button. And follow us for more videos just like this, only here on Talk Help Guy.